Hello, welcome, Time with Chris, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to take you to look at the new bridge which was put up I think last year over the Birmingham New Road. We'll have a look at some other bits. I've decided to do the intro, a nice quiet place and not stand on a busy main road with the traffic going past so you can't hear me. I'm on the wren's nest, I'm on my way to the side. Turn the camera around here. This is where I currently am. Nice and quiet, nice and peaceful. Got my boots on. So come and join me. There's plenty to do. We'll have a look at a few other things. So let's go make a video. Further on down the path, guys, this is the Birmingham New Road. Obviously I've come from that direction. I was done the intro on the wren's nest. I'll be walking this way up into the direction of Dudley, and probably many people watching the video today recognise where I am. They're still working, actually, they're still doing work on the bridge over there. They started in 2022. The old bridge, they had to remove the old bridge as it wasn't deemed safe for tram use. I think it was in November. They closed the road off, took the bridge down and replaced it. First time I've been down since I replaced the old bridge. So there's the new construction. Apparently there's going to be a bicycle track as well going across. All part of the new tram system that's coming to Dudley. I remember the old bridge, you know, they reckon that was indeed deemed not to be constructurally sound with the workings. You can't walk over that way. It's all blocked off. I gather there's going to be a pathway up there. So there we are, guys. That's the brand new bridge to take the tram services from Dudley to Wednesbury. Just having a look around. If you come up the Birmingham New Road, way to Dudley, which is coming up this way. We've got a screw fix, we've got Storage King Coney Limited there. There's a tool station. Icon Park. There's even a kitchen place. There's Magnet Kitchens there, look. Just up by the new tram station there on the new road. See the new trams nestled in there. Further on up the path, it is quite noisy. I apologise for the traffic noise on the video. I do apologise for that. Checking the microphone. There's the new tram station. Also, what surprised me is how quick this new building is going up here, which was of course the site of the old Hippodrome. There we are, the tram's just down there. We'll go and have a look. And there's the other building works going on further up the town. I haven't done that for a few weeks. Actually, a couple of weeks before Christmas when I last updated you guys on what was going on. Really has surprised me how quick this construction's going up here. It's going to be a university of some sort, I do believe. The tracks coming out the station, going up the road there. We're going to have a look where the old bus station was now. We're going to see what's going on around there for you guys, but I still can't believe how quick that really has come on, really quick. I think the last time I filmed, they were working on this part of the track. The last time I come up here, they were actually working on this part of the track. The guys were working here. Coming up there, obviously, of course, in to it'll be the hub, it's going to be called. There's Castle Hill, What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take you around to the other side, as I normally do, round up there, and see what's going on up there. So basically I've come from the Birmingham New Road, walked along, looked at the bridge going over the new road, looked at the tram station just down the bottom there, and up here. So here we are, guys. This is the other pitch. We've just come from down the bottom there, walked our way up, and as you can see they're building the ground up here. That's where the old farm foods used to be there, of course. I've come from round there. If we walk up, that's what it's going to be like. That's where the old bus offices used to be, just over there. And I think the last time I did the video they were just demolishing the old bus offices over there. Take it this way. Walk through. It's got to be good for Dudley, certainly. The tram system is up and running for the businesses. Yeah. Through here. Well, there we are, guys. A little update. And the tram system here in Dudley. I think I've done the full rounds there, to be honest with you. I think I've done the full round there, because I've come from the Birmingham New Road for the bridge, walked all the way up, covered most of what's going on, what's happening, and I'm back here in Dudley just by the old Churchill precinct there. This is where I'm going to end the video. Thank you once again, all the new subscribers. If you're subscribing and watching, it is very much appreciated. And I'm going to pop and get me a drink. Things are cold. I'll see you all on the next one. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.